If you are looking for a dinner that is crispy, cheesy, and incredibly satisfying, you are going to love today's recipe. We are making an easy chicken parmesan with golden chicken, flavorful marinara sauce, and plenty of melted mozzarella. This is a classic comfort food dinner that looks impressive but is actually quite simple to make at home. To get started, you will need 4 boneless chicken breasts, flour, 2 large eggs, and some breadcrumbs. We will also use grated Parmesan, garlic powder, dried oregano, dried basil, and of course, plenty of mozzarella cheese. Begin by placing the chicken between plastic wrap and gently pounding it to an even thickness for consistent cooking. Season both sides of your chicken cutlets lightly with salt and black pepper before we move to the breading station. Set up 3 dishes, 1 for flour, 1 for whisked eggs, and 1 for the breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture. Season the breadcrumbs with garlic powder and herbs to give the chicken that delicious Italian-inspired taste. First, coat the chicken in flour, then dip it into the beaten egg, making sure both sides are fully covered. Finally, press the chicken into the seasoned breadcrumbs so the coating sticks well and forms a nice, even layer. Heat a little olive oil in a large skillet and cook the chicken until the coating becomes beautifully golden. You do not need to cook it all the way through yet, we just want a crispy crust before finishing it in the oven. Transfer the golden chicken to a baking dish and spoon a layer of rich marinara sauce over each piece. Sprinkle a generous amount of grated Parmesan and shredded mozzarella over the top of the saucy chicken. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese is hot, bubbly, and starting to turn lightly golden in spots. Once the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees, carefully remove the dish from the oven. For the best presentation, garnish with freshly chopped basil to add a pop of color and fresh flavor. Serve your chicken parmesan over a bed of spaghetti, or pair it with some warm garlic bread and a side salad. The contrast between the crispy coating, tender chicken, and rich tomato sauce is absolutely mouth-watering. A quick tip: try to keep the chicken pieces at a similar thickness so they all finish cooking at the same time. Also, avoid using too much sauce before baking so the breading stays as crispy as possible. This easy, cheesy meal is perfect for a family dinner or a special night in. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe for more delicious homemade meal ideas. Let us know in the comments, do you prefer your chicken parmesan with pasta or on a sandwich? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next recipe.